Hi, I'm Anita, and I'm going to show you how to assemble and use your Shark FlexBreeze high-velocity cordless and corded fan. This is a 2-in-1 pedestal and tabletop fan powered by a rechargeable battery you can use anywhere inside and outside the home. To start, carefully remove the 2 pole pieces from the packaging. While you're removing the poles, keep one hand on each segment so you don't strain the cord connecting the 2 pieces. Next, carefully align the 2 poles and insert them into one another. You should hear a click when the poles have successfully been connected. The wider half of the assembled pole is the top section, and the narrower side of the assembled pole with the charging port is the bottom section. Next, insert the narrower side of the pole into the fan base. Place the base on a flat level surface. Locate the small yellow arrow on the bottom of the pole and then the small yellow dot on the base. Line up the pole and the base using the yellow arrow and the yellow dot. They should be on the same side. Slide the pole into the base until it sits flush and there is no gap between the 2 parts. Next, insert and tighten the bolt to secure the pole into the base. Carefully lift the base and pull to reveal the underside of the base. The pole should remain inserted into the base. Insert the bolt provided into the opening on the underside of the fan base. Use the provided Allen key and tighten the bolt clockwise. Continue tightening until you can feel some resistance in the bolt. Do not over-tighten. Return the assembled fan pedestal to the upright position. Lastly, add the fan head to the pedestal. To do so, grab the fan head by the handle with one hand, and then use your other hand to collect the 4 fan legs and guide them into the center. Align the bottom of the fan head with the top of the pedestal and slide the fan head into place. The fan can be facing any direction during this process, and it will naturally fall into the correct position. You should hear a click when the fan head has been successfully connected. To lift the fan head for portable or tabletop use, grab the fan head by the handle once again. With your other hand, press the release button on the upper half of the pedestal and simultaneously lift the fan head up and out of the pedestal. The Shark FlexBreeze fan can tilt up 45 degrees and down 10 degrees for a total tilt of 55 degrees. Tilt can be used in both tabletop and pedestal modes. Use the handle to tilt the unit upward or downwards in both modes. The Shark FlexBreeze fan also comes with a remote control, which features a magnetic connection for convenient storage when not in use. To activate the remote, remove it from its packaging and release the tab. Use the charging cable to plug in and charge the battery before using the fan. Only use the provided cable. To charge while in pedestal mode, find the charging port on the back of the lower pole next to the lightning bolt symbol. Insert the small end of the charger into the port and plug the other end into an outlet. To charge while in tabletop mode, use the handle to turn the fan over to reveal the underside. Find the charging port in the center of the 4 fan legs. Insert the small end of the charger into the port and plug the other end into a verified working outlet. While charging, the battery LED icon will blink green. A full complete charge to 100% will take about 5 hours and will be indicated by a white LED light. You can still use the fan even while it's charging. Simply press the power button on the top of the fan head or remote to turn it on. Once charged, the fan is ready to go wherever you are. Looking for more tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.